everybody. Well, I'm trying to get my way over to Dad's to plow the vineyard. Fuel filter in this thing plugged up, I guess, so had trouble getting it going. But anyway, got my way to town on the 790 road. Thank goodness the creek was plowed, and now I'm on Range Road 50 trying to get to Dad's. And son of a bitch, it's deep in places, like coming up. Lift the blade up a little bit, get some weight on the front tires. Oh yeah, fuck. Hey, gonna shoot me in the ditch. Look at that shit. Holy. I think an OV plow on the grader, they're over there fucking around. So yeah. Not so handy. I don't know who's sitting up on the end of the road, but I just need to get over those bins. So, yeah. Well, go in the ditch. Anyway, this old heavy pitch pushes pretty good. Some of these drifts are over 4 feet deep. Freaking nuts. But anyway. Old bitch off the road. So hopefully whoever that is doesn't drive down here while I'm trying to push. Yeah, freaking ridiculous, man. Alright, well, I'm gonna focus on what I'm doing here, and we'll bring you back in the vineyard, maybe. Talk to you in a few. Hi, well, I'm in the vineyard. I made it. Obviously been pushing for a couple minutes. Got to push in third. When I'm pushing straight, whoa, hard to drive. And anyway, I'm just dozing her straight, because if I put it on an angle, it just pukes me sideways. And some of these drifts are large. Anyway, of course it's spilling out, but that's fine. At least I'll break the drifts up, and then got pile won't look very big, but it's high enough. Anyway, lots of snow in here, and of course the wind is from that direction, so it just around these bins just funneled it right in. It's almost as tall as the back tire of the bank, so however tall that is. Yeah, I'm glad I'm not just plowing with a 2-wheel drive tractor. Wouldn't get nothing accomplished. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna keep pushing. If I think of it, I'll bring you back when I'm done, show you the end result. Talk to you then. Hello! Hopefully you guys can hear me. Sorry if you're shaky. The plowing continues. I got a flat inner dual now. And a flat outer dual. So the outer dual is junk, needs to be replaced. And the inner dual, I'm hoping just has a bad tube. I just put air in the inner dual 2 minutes ago here, so. was hitting the pile today and my hose is coming hooked underneath the tractor. And now I'm having some hydraulic issues. Six-way blade is nice. Should be rolling her in third, but I'm rolling in second, so I got better control. See, but he's backed up on top of a pile, pointing at the ground. Yeah, I can't put no down pressure for whatever reason. It's like it's on float now. And that was all happened after that hose coming hooked, so I'm not sure what's going on. Lifts up fine now. That's what I lost, was my lift. sure what happened, but I lost you. I was trying to adjust so you can see the dozer blade. More, maybe. And then I was trying to do an SOS call. I don't know what the hell. Adjusting. Oh, that damn thing. It's big. Haha! Whatever. Just struggling. Okay, let's back up here. Blade wasn't flat enough. Oh no, I'm still having trouble. Huh, I don't know. Like nobody's business. Slow going down, it usually just drops fast. I don't know. Knocked all that was all virgin snow and snowbank. Very well. Which is goofy. That's probably why it dims the lights. I was gonna buy heater fans for this one time because one side wasn't working very well. So I thought before I even opened it up, I'd just order some. And they were over $1,000 a piece from the dealer. So I figured, well, I better open it up and have a look. And here the ground wire was just all loose. And if I remember right, both motors hooked into that ground. Anyway, as long as Try to bend you so you can see the blade again. Otherwise, not much else to see. See all the deer there? So bad this year. I've never ever had them here like that. You're wondering where the heck we are. We're on the front yard now at the molasses tanks. You should see them right now. Bunch of deer behind me I'm apparently chasing. I gotta move these totes and stuff. I haven't really been out here much. Go for a bit, and I'll bring you back when I'm going through the creek. I'm gonna go clean that out one more time. Talk to you in a little while. Good morning. Well, sheesh, plugged up. I figured I'd show you what the vineyard looks like after I got it plowed out. So it turned out fairly well. Got some larger than life snow piles. Well, they're not that. There's a lot of snow there though. But yeah, looks a little different than yesterday. That big snow pile that Dad had ended up leaving in front of my pea bin. You can see part of it poking out there. I backed up and smacked her in third, and it actually surprisingly moved the whole thing. So yeah. But we will be able to get around here for a while again. I plowed on the other side of the bins, made a snow catch, and went out in the field over there and made a loop. So hopefully that helps. Anyway, yeah, just over 2 hours in here. So not too bad. I know last time we did it with the white, not this much snow even, just like a foot of snow. It took like 4 hours, but yeah. Anyways, feels like I'm in a fence. So, but anyway, so that's all cleared out, and then I'll show you what I did up the road a little bit, and yeah, talk to you in a few. So this is where I struggled to get through a couple clips ago. Yesterday when I was on my way to the bins. Anyway, when the grader went after I got to the bins, I was plowing and I was coming back going home, and this snowbank went right out to the middle of the road and back. So I know this hill has been very prone to blow in the past. So I spent 20 minutes here and I rolled this back. Yeah, there's a lot of snow. Anyway, cleaned it out, So hopefully they can keep pushing it out. But the worst thing is over on 45, there's a couple spots that are doing the same thing, and they just left it like that. So the snow yesterday, of course, was pretty soft, and I was able to push it back. But yeah, I don't know if they got a plan. Maybe they're gonna come back and try to clean them out better, or what's gonna happen. But anyway, I gotta go home and grind some feed. I just dropped the kids off at school, got some more diesel fuel, and go home, get something accomplished, and besides just pushing snow, and get the first bag made up so the guy can come pick it up. And then I gotta go feed the cows, and then I gotta get back over the vineyard where we just were, and grab some wheat from there, or more wheat from there. I got some the other day just with I paled into a bag, and got my chicken order done, but I gotta get more. So anyways, I'm gonna throw this video together. It's getting super long and boring probably for some of you. Some of you will enjoy it, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Take care.